Now a close-up of the Rodeo 110. As you can see, this is a precise cut, compact, everything integrated, pretty light, little multi-rotor. It's pretty hardy. You can smash it around and it doesn't break too easily. Those are the ESCs. And it doesn't record on a DVR, so you broadcast with a clear 5.8 gigahertz transmission, video transmission onto your goggle or your monitor of your choice. Those are the antennas for it. And there's lights on the front here, headlights, and there should be some lights on the side here too. Little motors, compact, those parts are replaceable, so it's ready to go, RTF, ready to fly, and you can find that at ucdrone.com, the Walkera HQ headquarters at Washington. So you see drone, you see a drone, shot, you see drone. Rodeo 110, what are you doing, you landing?
On ESPN Extreme Sports.
It's a Rodeo 110 from Walkera. Just hanging out,
Oh, that's sweet. And that's Ryan for you. Doing his stunt. Let's do it one more time. One more time.
Drop from higher. Drop from higher.
Let me go. Now I know what you were doing.
Drop from right there. I love it. Wow. I'm in. Oh yeah.
Is that low battery? Yep.
Throttle to the left. And it's on. Throttle to the right. It's not on anymore.
Showtime.
Lap one.
We got a rodeo! Look! It's a little itsy bitsy baby like it's an F10, but it got shrunk!
Oh, Oculus. You got 3D on that?
No, it's for your phone.
It's not